Right. Okay, so flags. And flags are really, really useful in programming because it allows us to check if something is either true or false. So if we're testing to see if something is either true or false, we can say if the flag is up, well then it's true, and if the flag remains down, well then it's false. The classic example of using flags would be in things like prime checkers. Okay, so let's take a look at a very, very simple example of using flags. And this is kind of a trivial example because there's going to be a much easier way of doing the test that we're doing. But let's just test to see something bizarre, such as, is a number bigger than 72? So we want to check to see, is a number actually bigger than 72? And the way we check this is we initially say, well, we're going to set a flag. We're going to set that flag to be down. Okay? Now, that flag will stay down, and it will always stay down except in one circumstance. If number is bigger than 72, then we want the flag to change to the position up. So if the flag goes up, the only way the flag can ever go up is if the number happens to be bigger than 72. Okay, and then we can use that to give a conclusion. So we can say if flag is equal to down, print something like number is less than or equal to 72. And then we can also put in an elif flag is equal to up. So remember, the only way this flag can ever go up is if this if statement here fires. Okay, so print, maybe I can copy this thing here, Control C, Control V, and is greater than GREAT greater than 72. Okay, if we have too many things in there. Okay, so the only way that can happen is the only way the flag can ever go up is if the number happened to be bigger than 72. We still need to get a number, so let's say number equals, so it's going to be the int of the input. Please enter a number. Okay, so the only way that the flag can ever go up is if the number we entered happened to be bigger than 72. So let's run this and see what happens. Please enter a number, and if I enter 71, so 71, this will not have fired, so the flag will remain down. 71 is less than or equal to 72, and we can check that by printing the status of the flag. Run that again, and if I do 71 here, the flag is still down. Whereas if I run it again, and this time I put in 73, the flag now has gone to be up. Okay, so that's really how flags are used. They're used when you have a binary choice. So the flag can either be down or the flag can be up. And the only way a flag can ever go up is if it meets the clause that you set it here.